Hi everyone, this is Automotive Knowledge Power. So if you're a new mechanic or you're doing your own car DIY, so I recommend this good Scantols X431 Pro 3 Lance. This is capable to read older and new car, and they have different function to use, and you can clear the DTC. So this is very important and very useful. This is Scantols to all the car. So that's why I always using this Scantols. It's very handy and it's very cool, easy to use and easy to read, easy to clear the code. So this is awesome.